let's try the Monster Energy Ultraviolet Zero Sugar Energy Drink. Let's begin by having a closer look at the can. And the first thing I noticed is that the surface here has a little bit of a structure. Now I'm going to put the can closer to the camera, so you should be able to see here that there's the classic Monster M in the middle there, and around it there are all these designs inspired by the 70s. You can also see the nutrition facts on the back there, and that's our can design. I think it looks pretty nice. There's also a bit of an explanation here on the back of the can. I'm going to read a couple of the sentences. At the top it says, "Welcome to the 70s." Okay, that should say something about the flavor. And then the flavor is described as crisp and refreshing with a sweet and tart flavor of pixie dust, powered with the Monster Energy blend. So that actually doesn't say a whole lot to me about what this is supposed to taste like. So let's get this can open, get it into a glass, and have a taste and a closer look at the drink. And here we have it, our Monster Energy Ultraviolet in a glass. It did foam quite a lot when I poured it into the glass. It is a carbonated drink. For a drink that's called Ultraviolet, I think this drink design is really good. I am really liking this color. So already a good first impression. The description on the can is pretty accurate. It is crisp and refreshing. It is tart and sweet, but I don't know what pixie dust tastes like. And I could not for the life of me tell you which natural flavor this is supposed to emulate. Maybe there's a little bit of grape or blackcurrant, but that could just be an illusion due to the color. Overall, the flavor is not great. I prefer my energy drinks with something that at least has a semblance to something natural. So I think this is not a really good fit for me and my taste profile. But if you want something real different, definitely give the Monster Ultra Violet a go. Learn more about pricing and availability with the link in the description below. For more energy drink reviews, click or tap the screen right here. That's my full playlist, so check that out. Thank you very much for watching 2-Minute Reviews, and I will see you in the next video.